everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today in the Chili Pepper Madness kitchen, we are making muffaletta sandwiches. Muffaletta sandwiches are a outstanding deli meat sandwich that was invented in New Orleans. It's a classic New Orleans sandwich, and it's one of my favorites. It's not spicy, but it's huge on flavor, and there are a few different ways to make it. One of the keys is the awesome olive tapenade or muffaletta spread. So I'll show you how to make that and how to put together, and I hope you enjoy it. So let me show you how to make it. All right, first thing we need to do is make our olive tapenade, and this is a huge flavor base, big flavor builder for your muffaletta sandwich. We have chopped olives. Get that in there. Into a bowl, and I have some homemade giardiniera, and you can use other like pickled peppers would be great for this, but I love my giardiniera, it's so good. And we have roasted red peppers. There we go. And I have some minced shallots or onion. Good flavor there. And I am using some delicious briny capers. These are great, capers. And we have garlic. I have about 3 large cloves here, but you can use more if you want. I love garlic. Gorgeous garlic. And we have olive oil, about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. There we go. And a couple tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And I have some oregano. And some basil. All right. There are other ingredients that you can use for this, but this is my preferred blend that I've settled on over the years. All right, just mix it all together. Get it all mixed up for perfection. All right, look at that. This stuff is so good, you guys. Oh man, it makes the sandwich, I'm telling you. Okay. So here we go. I've got my olive tapenade all mixed together, and I'm gonna set this aside, and then we will go ahead and build our muffaletta sandwich. All right, let's assemble our muffaletta sandwich. The first thing you need is a good bread. So I have a wide Italian loaf. And this is meant to be a large sandwich that you can cut into pieces and serve to multiple people. If you're lucky enough to be in New Orleans, you can actually buy some like muffaletta bread. But alas, I am not in New Orleans at the moment, so I have some amazing Italian bread. It's perfect for this. And I've got it sliced, and I'm going to pull out some of the middle right here of the bread just to make room for all of our meats and cheeses and the tapenade. So let me kind of drop some of this in there. Just got to make some room, and you don't want to do too much, just as long as you can fit all of your, some tapenade in there and your meats and cheeses. Get that pulled out. All right, that looks pretty good. You can do the bottom as well. You don't have to do a ton, but again, just enough to make some room to fit all that delicious goodness. All right, I've got a lot of this pulled out here, making some room. This is good. Got bread all over the place. Now we are going to take our muffaletta spread here and spoon it into the bottom and the top, or you can kind of place it as desired. Get it in there. Look at that. Oh my God, this stuff is amazingly delicious. You can use this muffaletta spread for a lot of different recipes. It's perfect, obviously, for muffalettas, but it's outstanding on so many other different sandwiches and other cold cuts. It's just amazing flavor. I love this stuff. All right, get it nice and spread out. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put some in here too, into the top piece. Get it spread in there. Look at that, look at that. Okay. Whew. All right, looking good. All right, now that we have our olive tapenade spread out over our Italian bread, now we assemble a sandwich with our wonderful meats. And here we have some salami And I've got, again, this is a large sandwich, so I've got a ½ pound of salami here. And I'm going to get it all spread around. Just layer this sandwich up. And this is, again, it's meant for a crowd, so it's going to be a big, meaty, delicious sandwich. Okay. Layer it up. Look at this. Talk about deliciousness right here. Okay, salami here, and I've got some capicola. Got another ½ pound here. Whoops. Just get it layered up and spread around your sandwich. This stuff is so crazy good. Love it. Oh yeah, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. And we have some mortadella. Mortadella is so, I love mortadella. It's one of my favorite sandwich meats, lunch meats. It's just crazy delicious. All Italian meats here. And try to get the best quality meats that you can get because this sandwich is worth it. Okay. Get it all spread out. Look at that, mortadella. Sometimes I have to order extra just so I can sneak a few pieces for myself. Okay. And we have some cheese. I've got some provolone here. And you can use other cheese as well, like mozzarella, smoked mozzarella. But provolone is outstanding here. Okay. Provolone. All right, get that spread out a little bit more. There we go. All right. And now let's just pop the lid right onto it. It's going to be a little messy. Oh, made a mess. All right. You would think you'd be done at this point. However, what we're going to do, actually, I'm going to wrap this in plastic. So let me get my plastic. Because what we're going to do is we're going to let this, let all the tapenade juices kind of meld in there and kind of, you know, soak into the bread and spread out. And it's going to be just crazy delicious that way. Look at this. Look at this beast of a sandwich. Okay, let me get this set here. All right. Just kind of get it wrapped up as much as you can. I'm gonna have to get some extra plastic here. All right, got some more plastic here. You want to get it completely wrapped as much as you can. Oh yeah, look at this. Excellent, excellent. Big sandwich, big sandwich. Okay, and I've got this cast iron top that I'm gonna set on top to kind of compress it down a bit and let everything soak in there. Big flavor builder. But now comes the hardest part of making your muffaletta sandwich, and now you gotta wait. You gotta wait probably about an hour. You could go longer if you want to let everything develop in there. But I've made this actually a day ahead of time and sliced it up and brought it on hikes for me and Patty. We'll go on a real long hike in the mountains, and we will, you know, I'll have a nice muffaletta sandwich for lunch. Outstanding, one of our favorites. So, all right, I'll be back in an hour, and we will open it up and enjoy some muffaletta. All right, got my muffaletta sandwich, has been pressed. Ooh, look at that. Set that aside. This is, it's ready for serving. I've been a little over an hour. And let me get this pulled off here. Don't let your sandwich fall apart, but it probably won't. It's a pretty beastly sandwich. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my. Oh yeah. This is a monster sandwich right here. You get it set down. Boom. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you make a muffaletta sandwich. This is party food right here. I mean, you can cut it into 6 or 8 slices, kind of like a, you know, like a pizza. Cut it down the middle, boom, and serve it up to a party situation. Bring it out to your next gathering, or just really eat it for yourself. I think I could probably get down maybe a quarter of this sandwich. It's very huge. But all right, let me slice this up and we'll take a peek at the insides. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how you make a muffaletta sandwich. Look at this. It's delicious looking. Oh my God. Oh, smells awesome. Seriously, this is, I cut this into quarters for like a huge portion, but you can cut it into eighths and it'll be a good serving size. It's absolutely delicious. One of my favorite sandwiches. I've been eating these a lot lately. They're just so good. But hey, if you wind up making them, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear. Send me pictures, send me a video. But that's it. Muffaletta sandwich. I hope you enjoy it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.